Model, 2017 Citroen Berlingo 1.6 VTi 95 petrol manual L1 625 lux starts drives fine 26k super low miles starstruck. Body, yellow, panel van. Mileage, 26,843. MOT, the 26th of March 2025. Engine, 1598 cc EP6C Euro 6. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is mixing with the oil gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still starts and pulls in every gear. Grin, condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more.